I will be your teacher for today.
Nice
Okay?
to meet you.
Sorry, you cannot see my face. It's dark. I'm sorry.
Okay.
But I hope it's okay. All right. So, Jessie. Okay, there. Let me use my phone. Okay. So, how are you doing, Jessie?
I'm good.
Okay. What did you do today?
Uh, I study French English for many
What?
time.
Pardon?
I study Mint English for many time.
Oh, really? Okay. Do you enjoy studying English?
Uh, yes,
Yes. Okay. And Jessie, I can see that your book is the vowels book. So, do
yes,
you want to continue with your lesson?
yes.
Okay. So, help me out. What lesson are you in?
Short E sound.
Short E sound. Okay. Are you going to start with this one? It's this one.
Uh, Wait. No, E. Page 8.
Ah, short E sound. Wait. Short I sound.
Should I?
Yes. Okay. This one.
Yes.
So, what page did you start this one? Not yet.
I start page 8 and 9
Mm-hmm.
and start
And
with 10.
next is page 10.
Yes, we
This
finished
one.
the page 9.
Okay. So, let's start with your sentence practice. Wait, let's make this bigger. Okay. So, here in sentence practice number 1, which words has the short I sound or the eh sound?
Build physical condition will influence during Olympics.
Again, which words has the short eh sound?
Build physical
Can you underline it?
uh, condition will influence during Olympics.
Okay. Read number 1.
Bill's physical condition will have an influence during the Olympics.
Bill's physical condition will have an influence during the Olympics. Again.
Bill's physical condition will have an influence during the Olympics.
Okay. How about number 2? Which words? Please underline.
It disaster Tim spilled his drink in ship.
Okay. Please read.
It was such a disaster when Tim spilled his drink in the ship.
It was such a disaster when Tim spilled his drink in the ship. Again.
It was such a disaster when Tim spilled his drink.
Tim.
Tim,
Tim.
Tim,
Mm-hmm.
Tim spilled his drink in the ship.
Good. How about number 3? Which words?
Officer rapidly fingered guitar strings while Jill quickly videos pictures building.
Okay, read.
The officer rapidly fingered the guitar strings while Jill quickly took videos and pictures of the building.
Okay, so the officer rapidly fingered the guitar strings while Jill quickly took videos and pictures of the building. Again?
The officer rapidly fingered
No, rapidly.
rapidly. The officer rapidly fingered the guitar strings while Jill quickly took videos and pictures of the building.
Quickly.
Quickly,
Okay, good. Now, how about number 4?
responsibility. Reading is important in term.
Please read.
Responsibility and the willingness to learn are important for interns.
Okay, willingness.
Willingness,
Willingness.
willingness,
No, willingness. S. Willingness.
willingness.
Okay, good. So, responsibility and the willingness to learn are important for interns. Again,
Responsibility and the willingness to learn are important for interns.
okay. And please locate the words with the short eh sound in number 5.
Can you tell me again?
What do you mean? Number 4?
The question.
Okay. Can you please locate all the words that has the short I sound or the eh sound?
I. When pitiful Miller interviewed 6 candidates, he expressed his desire hire intelligent, diligent individuals.
Okay, be careful when you're locating, okay? When is not the short eh sound, okay?
Okay.
Also, he. He is actually the long I sound, alright?
Okay.
Okay, so please read.
When pitiful Mr. Miller interviewed 6 candidates, he expressed his desire to hire intelligent and diligent individuals.
Okay. When pitiful Mr. Miller interviewed 6 candidates, he expressed his desire to hire intelligent and diligent individuals. Again.
When pitiful Mr. Miller interviewed 6 candidates, he expressed his desire to hire intelligent and diligent individuals.
Diligent.
Diligent.
Okay. And let's go to number 6.
At the gym, a typical gypsy told me a myth about a crystal crypt full of mysteries and symbols.
Again, which words has the short eh sound?
E, G, Jim, typical, gypsy, E. Myth, crystal, crypt, mysteries. Yes. Symbol E.
Okay. Please read again.
At the gym, a typical gypsy told me a myth about a crystal crypt full of mysteries and symbols.
Mysteries.
Mysteries.
Okay. So I will read this one, okay? At the gym, a typical gypsy told me a myth about a crystal crypt full of mysteries and symbols. Okay?
Can you tell me the last word again, please?
Mysteries.
This one.
Symbols.
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 Okay, good. Can you read again, number 6, please?
At the gym, a typical gypsy told me a myth about a
Gypsy. Wait. Gypsy.
gypsy.
Okay.
A typical gypsy told me a myth about a crystal crypt full of mysteries and symbols.
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 Okay. With the word gypsy, the first one is in this word.
Yes.
Y here is the short. Y here is the long. Okay? So gypsy. Okay?
Gypsy.
Yes. It's the same with mysteries. This one is the long one. This one is the short. Okay? Mysteries.
Mysteries.
No, mysteries.
Mysteries.
Good. Okay. Read again, number 6, please.
At the gym, a typical gypsy told me a myth.
Gypsy. Again. Gypsy.
Gypsy.
Again.
Gypsy.
Again. One more.
Gypsy.
Okay. They should have different sounds. Okay. Gypsy. Gypsy.
Gypsy.
Yeah. C, you should be smiling. Gypsy. Okay. Gypsy. Okay.
Gypsy.
Yes. Okay. Again.
At the gym, a typical gypsy told me a myth about a crystal crypt full of mysteries and symbols.
Good. Very good.
Thank
Good
you.
job. Okay, how about number 7?
E decided prepare E11 examples disrespectful expressions.
Okay, read.
We decided to prepare 11 examples of disrespectful expressions.
Okay. We decided to prepare 11 examples of disrespectful expressions. Again.
We decided to prepare 11 examples of disrespectful expressions.
Okay. How about number 8?
Pretty English. I learned this one. Women have been busy.
Are you sure? Are you
Yes.
sure?
Yes.
Really, really sure?
No, No?
Are you really sure with those ones?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, good. Now read number 8.
The pretty English women have been very busy lately.
Women.
Women. Women.
No, 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 no.
No?
No. Women.
Women.
Okay. So, pretty.
Pretty.
English.
English.
Been.
Been.
Busy.
Busy.
Again, read this one.
The pretty English women have been very busy lately.
Okay. The pretty English women have been very busy lately. One more.
The pretty English women have been very busy lately.
Okay, very good. Any questions?
No?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, Jesse, I think our time is about to end. So you will continue with actual practice next time, okay?
Okay.
Continue practicing, Jesse. Bye.
Bye.